Hey guys, welcome to another product review video with Matt Waters. Today we have the Sparkle Emergency Essentials Kit. Now this is something that you would need for a bride maybe on her wedding day, just in case some mishaps may happen. You never know. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back right here. It says there's 38 total pieces Emergency Essentials Kit. It's got 5 double-sided tapes, got 5 hair elastics, 2 safety pins, it's got earrings, it has a nail file, has 6 hairpins, a sewing kit with 6 thread colors, 2 buttons and a needle, 3 dental flosses, and a clear nail polish. And I'm going to zoom in so you can see it there. It says 2019, manufactured and distributed by Tri-Coastal Design Group in Wharton, New Jersey. Alright, so designed in the USA, made in China. Alright, so as you can see, it's like a pink sparkly bag with a zip up, right? So let's go ahead and open this thing up and show you what all's inside. Alright, so here's the bag right here. So let's go ahead and open it up. And right off the get-go, I can see we have our nail polish. Take that out right there and check it out. So that's what comes in there for your nail polish, which is a much bigger bottle than some of the other kits that I have seen. Alright, so this must be the 5 elastic hair bands. This must be, I'm assuming these are the 2 earrings, maybe? Earring backs. These are earring backs, that's right. Okay. So now we have the double-sided tapes. It's got 5 of those. We got 6 bobby pins. Here is the sewing kit. You can see the colors. They got blue, green, yellow, red, black, and white. And a couple of safety pins and buttons and needles in there. Of course, you got a nail file. We've got a couple of toothpicks, the little toothbrush time. Those are cool. What is this right here? This is nail polish remover, and you can see the ingredients in there if you guys want to pause it and read that. Alright, so getting down to the last 2 things. This right here is stain remover, and you can see the ingredients right there. So if you get a stain or something, you can whip this out. Maybe it'll help get it out before the big day or before it starts. And this is some deodorant. Now, I would hate that you would need this, but you never know. You might get nervous and start sweating on your big day, you know. So, you got something right there, the little wipe right there, so you can see the ingredients in that. Alright, guys, so that was pretty much everything that was inside of this Sparkle Emergency Essentials Kit, and it comes with the cool little bag. So now I'm going to pack all this back up, and we'll give this to my wife, and I'm sure she'll probably want to bring this on vacation or something. This is something right up her alley right here when she packs for stuff like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to hit that like button down below and subscribe to the channel for more videos. And as always, guys, have a great weekend. Peace.